iTraveler is a tourism company based at Cochin and Bangalore with 250 plus destinations in India. iTraveler is aspiring to be an international tourism company, and as part of the plan, it has decided to increase its online presence. In this endeavor, our team comprising of Sudhir and Arun will be working on iTraveler website, mainly to optimize their Google presence. How popular is iTraveler.com? iTraveler.com global rank is 5,94,110. Indian rank 68,369. This rank seems to be pretty decent with respect to an organization of iTraveler capacity. KeralaHolidays.com is a tourism company which is very similar to iTraveler. Their budget, strategy, vision, everything is very akin to that of iTraveler. Their global rank is 3,21,141 and in India 41,577. Why this difference? Where iTraveler is falling behind? If you see, iTraveler is just having 40 linking in sites, whereas Kerala Holidays it is having 136 in links, which makes a huge difference. And in addition to that, Kerala Holidays is having inlink from popular sites such as keralatourism.org. But iTraveler doesn't have such inlinks from good sites. Coming to keywords, iTraveler is just using one keyword, that is iTraveler. On Google, customers will find only iTraveler if they key in iTraveler, otherwise not. Whereas for KeralaHolidays.com, the keywords are very diversified. Tourism, Kerala Holidays, Kerala packages, for everything. They are able to see themselves on the first page of Google itself. As a part of optimizing the site, we carried out a speed test on pingdom.com and came up with these numbers. Load time is little on a higher side, 4.46 seconds. We'll be targeting to bring this under 4 seconds. To improve the site performance and speed, we found some areas where iTraveler can work on without spending any money, but just by devoting some good time. Initially, enable compression. We can see that there are 11 site resources which is unnecessarily consuming 231 KB. This can be avoided if compression is enabled, and almost 78% reduction we will see, and 231 KB will get reduced. Bootstrap, style, camera, these areas are really consuming some good amount of space. So iTraveler can really work on that. And in addition to this, there are 9 blocking scripts and 6 blocking cascading style sheets, which is causing delay in rendering the page. For this, what iTraveler can do is that just remove the render blocking JavaScript. Then coming to JavaScript, it is occupying 169.6 KB unnecessarily. This too can be compressed, this too can be optimized and can save some good amount of space. For this, a tool is available, that is Minify JavaScript, which can really help in reducing this script or to compress it. Then there is good room for optimizing the images. 49.2 kbs are spent on unnecessarily on images, so this too can be optimized really well. The most relevant or the most important finding that we had from iTraveler website was that they were not leveraging much on browser caching. Setting an expiry date or a maximum age in the HTTP header for static resources can really enhance the download speed, can really help the site to perform better. And in addition to this, compacting the CSS code can save 32.9 kb and HTML code is consuming extra 7.3 kb. In these areas, iTraveler can really work on and can reduce the space, and this will really add in enhancing the speed of the website. Broken links, redirects, and other suggestions. We found 4 broken links on iTraveler website. Packages Kerala, Packages Kashmir, Himachal, Tamil Nadu. This requires immediate attention. These 4 broken links either has to be fixed as soon as possible or it has to be removed, because this can really hinder iTraveler's page ranking on Google. The site is having 1 internal redirect and 2 external redirects. Google doesn't recommend redirects. So it will be advisable for iTraveler not to have redirects. Heat maps. This can really help iTraveler in tracking their user, how the users are really using their website, where all they are moving their cursors. So this will help iTraveler management in knowing in which all links the customers or the users are really interested in. So this can be done just by adding a simple code into their HTML or to their source code, and the code has already been sent to iTraveler. iTraveler, as we said earlier, it's looking to really scale up their operations. So before doing that, we highly recommend that they do a load and stress test on their web servers, because Google penalizes heavily for site breakdown and glitches. Okay.
So far, we have seen what iTraveler.com is and its core business and how it is performing over the years, I mean over the last 1 year. And we have also seen the global ranking of iTraveler and then Indian ranking of iTraveler and other statistics like bounce rate, conversion rate, etc. So now let us try to fit those parameters into a framework called RACE. RACE is actually an abbreviated term for reach, act, convert, engage. So RACE is a framework that is very useful while framing digital marketing strategy, digital interactive marketing strategy. It is actually a very effective planning tool and it will allow us to think in an organized way. So let us go through all these 4 parameters briefly and then try to link these 4 parameters to iTraveler. In order to maximize the number of sales on a website, we have to first maximize the number of people visiting the website. That is what is actually called reach. So reach is measured by the number of customers the site is accessible to, or the number of unique visitors to the site each day or each month. So there are various tools available over web to measure this particular concept called reach, and we have used a website called Alexa to measure this for this particular website called iTraveler.com. In addition to the number of unique visitors, reach also tells us the sources of traffic for this website. Coming to iTraveler statistics, the number of unique visitors per day seems to be 400, and 99% of the traffic comes through Google with keyword iTraveler. So people, not all those visiting the website will actually long more than a page. How many of the visitors are engaged to spend time on the website is measured by ACT. Ability to make the visitors act on the website depends on the site quality and whether the visitors are able to find interesting content on the website or not, and also on the landing page quality. And this is usually measured by bounce rate. So bounce rate is the percentage of people who are actually going away from the website after browsing through just one page. Bounce rate of 30% or less is considered very good in digital marketing, and iTraveler's 28% is certainly very good for its type of website. So now let's try to combine the reach statistic with ACT statistics. So 99% of their traffic is coming through a keyword iTraveler from Google, and then it has very less bounce rate. So what that means is it is reaching to the people who are actually aware of iTraveler and who are traditional customers of iTraveler. So the next important phase in RACE framework is convert. How many of the customers stayed on the website actually made a purchase? So this is measured by the conversion rate, and it depends on the customer perceived value of the website. So ability to customize tools according to the customer's choice, and getting a decent discount on the price would probably enable the customers to complete the sale. iTraveler's conversion rate is measured at around 2.5%. This is considered average in digital marketing industry, and 10% conversion rates are pretty much achievable. Ability to engage with the customer forms the last aspect of RACE framework. So once we have achieved all other three aspects of RACE framework, we have to keep engaged the customers so that they'll keep coming back to our business. For improving reach, we have suggested two ways. One is to create a search engine campaign using specific keyword groups, and then other one is using display ads. As shown in the slide, we have created a keyword group specifically containing the interesting keywords for iTraveler's business, and then created a campaign in Google AdWords with a budget of 700 rupees per day. We can create multiple such campaigns in line with the iTraveler's core business strategy. For example, we can create a campaign to concentrate on the Kashmir tour packages, and then we can create another campaign to concentrate on the Kerala tour packages. One other thing that we have noticed is iTraveler doesn't have an YouTube channel, and also it doesn't have any travel blog or any interesting posts going on its website. So these are the things that iTraveler can do to improve its reach further. So they can start a YouTube channel and then start posting interesting videos about the destinations that they are offering, and then they can link the YouTube videos onto their website to generate interesting content, and then they can also work on creating some blog. Finally, they can do the following things as suggested in the slide to improve their ACT conversion and then engagement rates. So they can improve the landing page quality, and then they can add more relevant packages to cater to more customers. And when it comes to conversion, they can offer exclusive, extensive customizations, and then they can also offer discounts based on repeated business, or based on customer loyalty. And for engagement, they can conduct seasonal campaigns, and then they can get to know the customer better for his or her preferences and the types of packages they prefer, and so that they can they can segment the customer base as well. So these are the things that iTraveler can do to improve their digital marketing business. Thank you.